Hello my lovely students, how are you all? Hope all of you enjoyed your festive holidays well. Now back to our normal busy schedule. Now today we'll commence our class with very short yet important topic, that how we can find the square of any number, and that is the easiest method you can apply to find the square of any number of your choice, right? So without further delay, let's get started. We have to find out the square of 63, right? So how we can find out that 63 square? We have to add a particular digit or number with it to make a nearest 10, right? So if we add 7 with it, it will become 70, and that is the nearest one of it. So we have to add some number or digit with that given one to make a nearest 10 digit number. So 63 plus 7. What we are getting from there? 70, right? So we have add 7 over here. So we have to subtract 7 from it also. So 63 minus 7. So what we are getting from there? 63 minus 7, that is 56, right? Now what we need to do? We have to multiply these two numbers. 56 multiplied with 70. What we are getting from there? 3920, right? Now the number or the digit that we already added with 63 and subtracted from it, what is that number? 7 is that number. So we have to multiply that two numbers, means 2 of it, means 7 square, or 7 into 7 means 49. We have to add 49 with it. So what we are getting from there? 3920 plus 49. So 3969, that is our answer. And that is the 63 square, right? Within few seconds, if we apply this method, within few seconds you can find the answer of any of the square number, right? So now our next example. So our next example is to find the square of 94, right? So how we can find that 94 square? 94, with that number we have to add some number or digit with it to make it 100 or the nearest 10, right? So if we add 6 with it, it will become a nearest number of the nearest 10 digit number, that is 100. So if we add 94 plus what number we have to add with it? 6. So what we are getting from there? 100, right? So we have add 6 with it. So we have to subtract that number also. So 94 minus 6. So what we are getting from there? 88, right? Now the next step, multiply these two. So what we are getting? 8800, right? Now that number that we have already added and subtracted from it, we have to multiply these two numbers, that is 36. So if we add 36 in it, what we are getting? 6388, and that will be our answer of 94 square, right? It's very easy. Now takes a 3-digit number. Suppose that number is 112 square. How you can find out the 112 square? So easiest method, 112. So it's nearest 10. We have to add some number with it. So what that number? What that particular number? 8 is that particular number. So if we add 8 with 112, then what we are getting from there? 120, right? That number what we have added with it, we need to subtract that also. So if we subtract 8 from 112, then what we are getting from there? 104, right? Now our next step is multiply these two numbers. So if we multiply these two numbers, what we are getting from there? Then 2, 4, 8, right? 1, 2, 4, 8 and with 0. Now the number that we have added and subtracted from it, multiply these two. 64 we are getting, and add 64 with that. So 4, 8 plus 6, 14, 4 carry 1, 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 5, 4, 4. So that is our answer of 112, right? So I hope all of you understood today's method. So now students, is homework time. By using today's method, you will tell me the answer of these questions in comment section below, right? So first one, 54 square. Second is 79 square and 136 square. So hope all of you enjoyed today's class, understood today's method, and bye students, that is for today. See you in the next class.